Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for the sign Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising. With regular Rider-Waite Tarot deck, I'm using these two oracle cards. This is Chakra Wisdom, and then I have, this is basically Yasmin Bolan's Monology Oracle. So let's see what is the situation over here for Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising. I can see and tell you that Geminis are stuck at some point. They are not sure, they are not very much confirmed about their feelings or their needs or desires, and they are not even very much sure about the direction in which they should have been moving, because they are not moving at all. And reading is telling me that it is the high time to start a process. Whether you are watching this reading for your relationship or for your career, this is the high time to start the process. Don't delay any further. I have rather a warning sign for you. This is a warning sign for you that you are wasting your time by delaying the process, by not doing that specific thing which you should be doing right now. So there is a person, there is some Gemini with Queen of Wands. The Queen is looking towards future. She has the plans. Now it doesn't necessary that all the reading is about some female Geminis. No, it's not like that, but you guys are having an energy of Queen of Wands in this month. So in the month of August, you are looking forward, you are looking towards the future, you have the plan in your mind, but the hurdle or hindrance or the problem over here is to start moving things. Basically there is some sort of hindrance which you are not sure how to cope up with that or how to manage things in for that purpose, and this is the whole point on which you need to remain focused, that you should start moving things now. It's been already that you are going through this change. Maybe some of you are having some aspect with Pluto energy, or maybe you are going through this transitional change in your life. So for the very recent days, even you are confused and you can't decide whether should I start. Basically the situation is asking you to start something and end something. After ending some particular thing, start something new. In your mind as well, maybe you are thinking to go abroad, outside your state, outside your country, or maybe you are thinking to start something new with a person who is living abroad, who is not living in your city, in your town, in your country, in your state. But even till the end of August, I cannot see you start moving. I cannot see you in the situation that you are taking steps towards the new goals. You are continuously thinking, you are planning, but not moving at all. But universe is telling you that it is a high time to start a movement. The homework or the study you need to do to start something has been done already. It's time to take action. If I see the oracle cards I have for you, a new romantic cycle begins. So all those Geminis who are watching this reading for a relationship, it is the right time to contact that person again if you are not talking, or maybe the person is already trying to contact you, but you are not responding them well. This is another point. Maybe you have this fear that the other person cannot accept your offer, cannot accept your offer, cannot extend their offer towards you, you cannot accept it. There is some sort of situation and you have a full doubt that this love connection won't be working in the longer run. But I feel that with this reading you can understand that it's time to open up yourself, it's time to open up about your emotions. Don't think that things are going okay, I'll do that, we will see that. These kind of lingering and delaying sentences, you should not say and say these anymore. Start considering your own emotions, start considering your own feelings. And I feel that you are at a stage in your life where you have been thinking to simply leave the situation away rather than moving towards someone. You are just thinking to leave the situation as it is, and this is again I have the competency card over here. So again it is a warning for you. Things are not like this, things will not be dry and sad like this. You have to open up your heart. This card is for heart chakra basically. So you need to open up your emotions, you need to open up your heart chakra, and moreover that this card is new moon in Libra. Libra is all about partnership, Libra is all about relationship, it's all about one-to-one connection. Maybe Geminis are dealing with some Libra as well. So I seriously suggest you to reconsider the whole situation and take one step at a time, but start moving towards your goal, start moving towards your person, because otherwise you will miss this chance basically. So this is for Gemini's reading for the month of August. I will see you next time. Thank you.